Hello guys, Tulani here, back again with another video, and in this video guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can make money just by collecting emails guys. This quick and easy strategy can help you guys make so much money, but guys, make sure you stick until the very end of this strategy, because if you don't, you may not be able to make any money guys. So guys, I hope you enjoy this content and let's get started. Guys, welcome to this video. Awesome to see you today guys. Hope you're all doing well, and in today's video, as I said, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy strategy which you guys can use, rinse and repeat, to make money just by collecting emails guys. But before we get started in the strategy guys, if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Tulani. Welcome to this channel, and in this channel I talk all things about making money online, entrepreneurship, and how you can build a passive income on the internet guys. So if you enjoy any of this content, be sure to subscribe, be sure to like this video, and also if you want to build a full-time passive income online, be sure to check out my full recommendation to make a passive income online guys, which will be in the first link in the description, which will show you guys a strategy which you guys can use to build a full-time passive income using the internet guys. So I hope you enjoy this video guys. So guys, we are now inside my computer. Beautiful scenes from here, and let me just share with you the brief overview of the strategy we'll be using to make some money using this strategy guys. So what the strategy and what this website is called, it's called Maxbouty guys, and we'll be using a method of making money called CPA marketing, which is cost per action or acquisition guys. Very simple, complicated name, but basically we'll get paid every time someone enters their email, enters their phone number, enters, downloads an app through our links. Every single time this happens, we'll make money guys. So you want to go to a website called Maxbouty, and once you're there guys, you'll be able to check out this button. It usually says join now, but since I've already joined, all I need to do is to log in guys. So once you're logged in guys, the second step of it is to look for an offer to promote guys. As I said, we won't be getting paid for sales, we won't be trying to sell anything in this strategy. We'll be trying to simply get people's leads, get emails, and send them to this offer guys. So let's just search up offers, right? So what we want to do is we want to look for a niche that has a lot of demand. A lot of people are searching for this, and a lot of people want it. The best ones tend to be dating, making money, credit, finance, and weight loss. So let's just do weight loss guys. So quick campaign search, we're gonna put weight loss in guys. And a key trick to find the best ones that convert the most guys, we want to look for ones with a high EPC, which means it's selling a lot, and we want to look for ones which allow you to promote them using social media guys. So we want to look out for this icon that says Facebook. That basically tell us where we can promote it guys. So once we found a good one, this one's sounding like a good one, is Green Force Keto. It has a 36 cent EPC and $72 just to promote it. So guys, this is a winner product guys. So what we want to do guys, this actually needs your approval to run, so let's just look for another one that we can start to run traffic to without their approval. So let's just click on this one, Keto weight loss. This is another one, and yes, perfect guys, we don't need approval to promote this, so we can go ahead and get our link and start running traffic to this guys. So what we want to do after this is we want to build a traffic link, right? What traffic will we be sending? Search traffic, and we want to build a search link guys. So a link will come up on top here. We want to copy and paste this. Very simple guys. And after we do this, let me explain the second part of the strategy guys. So now that we have the tracking link guys, let's just take a look at the landing page, and let me show you how you actually make money from this guys. So if you go inside the offer guys, into the landing page, it's taking a bit of time to load, but we'll actually see the simple. Let's just copy and paste that and go to the link. So yeah, when we go to the offer guys, basically it's an offer that's telling people the easiest way to burn fat guys. Very great landing page. It looks like a good product. It looks like it's working for a lot of people. So right now what we can see is, this looks like a good product to promote guys, because most likely when someone enters their email, when someone visits this landing page, they're going to enter their email, right? Because it looks attractive, it looks good. So yeah, when someone fills in this form guys, first name, second name, their address, their email address, this is how we will get our money guys. So what we want is we want people to fill in their information, and then we'll get paid every time a lead comes in, guys. So the second part of the strategy is getting the traffic, guys, getting the people to send this offer. So one way we're going to use this is Facebook pages, guys. And what we actually want to do is to build a Facebook page that's based on fitness and dieting, guys. So let's just say one of the Facebook pages I found that you can use as a template is fitness motivation, guys. So what this page is, it's about, you know, people motivated about fitness, and it gets a decent amount of engagement. A lot of people seem to be liking this stuff, and yeah, it's working good. And it has 27,000 people following this, so a lot of people, guys. Let's just say, imagine what if we could get our link to this product here, guys. Imagine if we could get our link here, which is what we want to do, guys. If we could get our link there, it will be exposed to 27,000 people, guys. So let's just say 10% of the people choose to opt in, choose to get this product, choose to enter their information, guys. That is about 2,000 people. And let's just say, if we go back to the website, guys, it is $72 per lead. So 2,000 times 72, this is some serious money, guys. So a great strategy we want to do is we want to start building our Facebook page, start putting up content like this one. This is sort of like a funny video of this guy, doing some jokes in the gym on the treadmill. Like, it gets people engaging, it gets people viewing it, and people enjoy this type of stuff, right? So what we want to do is want to share blog posts, we want to share content like this, we want to share cool pictures, and we want to get people liking this page and following this page and start engaging with us so we can get active members, guys. So that when we promote this, we actually get a lot of leads, guys. So another question you may be asking is, I see all these pictures of these fitness people, cool, right? But where do I get these images without getting copyrighted, guys? And that is simple, guys. What we want to do for the second part to build up the content is we want to use a website called Unsplash, guys. So Unsplash, if you don't know what it is, it's a website that allows you to get beautiful free photos that are taken by world-class photographers from all over the world, and it's completely copyright free. You can get any image you want, guys. So let's just search up, we want to do fitness, right? So fitness right, or gym workouts, guys. So as you can see, guys, there's 6,000 over 6,000 photos here. So literally, guys, there is no way we'll run out of content to produce, guys. So yeah, all of these pictures, guys, that we can produce, guys, very good looking pictures. This one is just like of a woman, standing on a cliff. It's very motivational. This one's more about hitting the gym. This one's more about motivation for women. So literally any picture we can find, we can use it and shape it for content for our Facebook page, guys. This cool one is about salad, it could be about dieting. So after this, what we want to do is simple. We go on one of the images and we click download for free. That image is going to download on our site, and what we want to do after this is we want to go back to our Facebook page and we want to start producing content, start putting up pages. But the best way, guys, to actually grow out of Facebook pages by using Facebook videos, guys. So let's just search up a way you can get your Facebook page discovered, right? Is let's just search up fitness fails, right? Because fitness fail videos, so a lot of videos that are trending are fitness fail videos, like stuff like that, right? So what we want to do is we want to get our videos in the posts and the search engine for Facebook. We want to get them ranking high on Facebook, guys. So if we look at one of these pages, right, it's not really a large page, but they share this video, guys, and this video has gotten 37,000 views, guys. So what we want to do is we want to produce videos that are going to get us a lot of views on Facebook, guys. So it's just a video of them working out, just a cool video, and we can produce as many videos as we want, but our main objective is to get people to our Facebook page. Guys, once they're at our Facebook page, we just simply promote this offer time and time again. We can write posts about this. So if we go back to this site, guys, we can write posts telling people, okay, if you guys want to lose some weight, check out this cool product that's in the link in the description, guys. It will show you how you can lose weight and, you know, let's just say lose 40 pounds in 40 days, right? Just entice them to go there and, you know, check out that product and enter their email address and their name, guys. So literally very, very simple, guys. If we combine all of these websites that we just saw, we can literally make a lot of money from this, guys. So that's a way to start for free. But if you want to step this up, guys, another way you guys can use this method for free is by actually using paid traffic and paid advertising. And yeah, paid traffic and paid advertising using sales funnels. So you can literally, you know, if you have ClickFunnels or a sales funnel builder, you can literally build funnels out and, you know, send people from advertising into the sales funnels. But we'll discuss that on another video, guys. But guys, that was basically a simple strategy which you guys can use to make money just by sending people, just by collecting people's emails, guys. It's called CPA marketing, and this website is called Maxbouty, guys. So I'll leave a link to Maxbouty in the link in the first link, one of the links in the description below anyway, where you guys can sign up for Maxbouty and begin making money using this strategy, guys. But without further ado, guys, if you guys enjoyed the strategy, you enjoyed this video, be sure to like this video. Also be sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to keep up with more strategies that you guys can use to make money online, guys. But if you want to build a full-time passive income using the internet, guys, be sure to check out my #1 recommendation to make a full-time passive income, which will be in the first link in the description below, guys. So without further ado, it's been Tulani, and peace out.